Driver is going to be a male wearing jeans and a brown hoodie, bailing off to the east there.
Copy, 2 subjects bailing on southeast 37th and 150th for Guardian 1.
Yeah, Guardian 1. They're at the Chase Bank parking lot, running around. They left the car in the middle of the road after almost wrecking it. Looks like they're trying to get into another vehicle at the Chase Bank. They're kind of walking around on foot. Looks like they just got into a white van that had a door open. They may be stealing that.
Copy, possibly stealing a white van in the Chase Bank parking lot.
Okay, they abandoned that idea. Now they're moving over. They're in front of the Mathnasium and the Washington Federal Bank. They're running through the parking lot. We've got 2 subjects. One's wearing a dark kind of hoodie. The other one's wearing like a light blue hoodie. They just made it to the Shell station. Looks like they're trying for other cars to steal. Looks like they're trying to carjack somebody. They're trying to carjack somebody. They've got an officer right behind them right now.
I'll be trying to carjack officer behind them.
Okay, he just rammed officers and taken off. Going to be, I think, south on 150th. Vehicles are red. Looks like a red Subaru, maybe? Red SUV. Forest Drive, coming to a stop again. Subject just got out on foot. Looks like he's going to carjack somebody at a residence at, he just walked into their garage at a blue house. I'm not sure if that's you or Bellevue. We need to get somebody there right away.
Copy, 14609 Southeast 63rd, walked into a garage.
He followed a car into the garage. Looks like he's going to carjack them. Okay, came back empty-handed, getting back into the red vehicle that he stole earlier. I got a unit right behind him. Okay, I got a unit right behind him, Southeast 63rd, going up the hill. Got a unit following him, Southeast 63rd and 147.
Road, still going towards Fall City. These are 60. Now we're passing Cone over the bridge. Negative. We're going to take a right on Southeast 44th Place.
Yeah, guys, that's going to be a dead end. That's Dyke Road. It's a dead end.
That road is closed. Yeah, going along the river here. Speeds are about 50.
He's about to run into a bunch of water. Guys, slow down. Don't go into the water. All right, he just went into some really deep water. It's covering half the car. Don't think he's going to be able to make it too much further. Driver's door's coming open. Looks like he may be getting out to swim. Yep, he's getting out. Suspect's getting out of the car, wearing a blue hooded sweatshirt. In the middle of the water, looks like he's got his hands up, or they've got their hands up. They're taking the suspect into custody, believed to only be the only one in the car. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to get up there to check.
Henry 19, I observed the carjacking. He was the only one in the car.